with us, and we've empowered them to do business through the assets that we are financing. So we do have a number of challenges that we've seen and we've experienced. One of these challenges, and the pertinent one, is security challenges. Boda industry has growing rapidly. It is the largest, if not among the largest employers in Kenya, and this has attracted security challenges. Our customers and Boda people who are not our customers are targeted, and these bikes are stolen. We have done our best through our services to assist, and so far we guarantee that for every customer whose asset has been stolen and the tracker has not been taken away, we can recover more than 50% of these assets, and we've done that. But this problem is beyond Watu. This is where we need different stakeholders from the government to assist us and address this issue, because the problem that is coming from this is because we are the largest, majority of our customers are impacted, so now we have a lot of customers who are suffering from this problem, and some of them even think it is Watu who is going after their assets. So this is a big challenge, and I believe through collaboration, support and partnership, the government through the police force and different law enforcement agencies will be able to support us, and collaboratively we can work to address this. Another challenge is the macroeconomic factors that we are facing at the moment, and this is an area that is affecting directly our customers. Majority of our customers are using ACE bikes, which are using traditional petrol combustion engines, and this results into now higher cost of operations, and with higher cost of operations, disposable income for our customers and Boda riders is now put under significant pressure. We are very grateful for this government, because the President, His Excellency, have been at the forefront to push the agenda of EVs. This will address this challenge, but we need more help, we need more support, we need more collaboration and coordination so that we can push this agenda faster to benefit more of the riders, because with a lot of pressure on the disposable income for our customers, then they find it very difficult to afford the loans, and therefore it becomes challenging for them to pay for their loans on time and complete successively. We have received also feedback from our customers on repossessions, and our ideal case scenario is that we would operate with very minimum, if not zero, repossessions, because our intent is to empower our customers to own these assets. So because of nature of our customers and because of the nature of our business, which our director have explained, we are going for people who are not in the formal financial sector. Our ideal customer is someone who can simply not go to the bank or any form of financial institution and get asset finance loan. This is true because they don't have collaterals, and for us to curb for this risk, we are using a repossession model, whereby we're giving our customers an opportunity to go through our loan and go through multiple interventions to support them to own their assets. And we have been very flexible with appreciation of the ongoing macroeconomic. So we've been very tolerant, and our CEO will share the figures, and Rose can show even physically the list of customers that we are accommodating under this arrangement. And the last resort is usually to go for a repossession. And I would say majority of the customers that we are repossessing from are the customers that are simply not collaborating with us. And we have evident example here why that is the case, because if a customer is struggling financially and collaborating with us, we call them, they answer our calls, we make arrangements with them and they honor, we do not repossess. And maybe before I proceed, Andres, you want to talk about the number of customers that we are accommodating today, and Rose, you can show the list.
Yes. So what we believe that in difficult economic challenge times, we have to accommodate those customers who are struggling to pay. We have done it during COVID time, and we are doing the same today. Like, to give you a couple of numbers, as of today, we have more than 20,000 active customers whose arrears are above 50,000 Kenyan shillings, and we are not repossessing those motorbikes because we understand the challenge the customers are facing, and because those customers, even though they are not paying in full, they are still trying to deal with the loan, and they are talking to us. So Rose, maybe you can show the amount of customers physically, so that you can appreciate the number of people who are struggling and who we are accommodating. If we go even further, we have 40,000 active customers which are in arrears for more than 6 months. So the 6 months they have deviated from payment schedule, and again we believe that current economic challenges warrant us to take a very lenient position and not to repossess. So repossession comes as a totally last resort if there is a total non-cooperation from customer perspective. This is the case, only case when we are repossessing motorbikes.
Thank you very much. So simply, we only repossess when we absolutely are pushed to the limit, and we have to do that, and that list plus the numbers that were shared will speak largely into that. Last but not least, we have identified 3 areas that we would like to ask for help from the government through this honorable committee, and we believe that help will allow us to further develop the industry and continue to operate in Kenya successively. One is to regulate and unify the Boda industry. And we believe through the introduction of SACCOs, and Kenya sits at the very, very advanced level in terms of how unification and regulation could transform informal industries to formal. We've seen that with matatus. We would put an urge for this committee to ask the government and push for this agenda so that we can formalize and regularize this industry, so that we can bring all the benefits that are coming with that. This will include things like designing and implementing regulations and policies to standardize practices and safeguard the border industry. Number 2 area that would like to request for the help from the committee is to address the security challenges, and we see an opportunity, particularly if there is a way we can establish a border police force, because we do have tourism police unit, for example, which is dedicated for that sector and industry. Why not having this approach for the motorcycle industry? Because we believe this will allow to address for 2 things particularly. One, will allow us to address the issues related to security, as well as will allow us to address all issues related to road safety from enforcement perspective. And now that will create a channel for players and key stakeholders to work with the law enforcement directly. Number 3, we would also like to request help for from the government through the committee for establishment of a dedicated government parastatal or mandated body to provide sectorial supports and oversight, so that come to challenges, come to opportunities, we have a direct linkage of where we can interact and engage directly with the government. So those are the three areas that, honorable members, we would like to pledge for your help, to ask for support from the government to further develop and make sure that we continue to transform the boda and motorcycle industry at large. And I would like to conclude by saying watu, as we all know, watu is a Swahili word for people. Watu was founded at the core of people in everything that we do. Our business is to transform lives of people, whether being our customers, whether being our staff, or the people who are depending directly to them, and this will touch the lives of the general public. So watu is for people. Watu ni sisi. And what we do and what we are trying to achieve will not become successful if we don't achieve our mission, which is to touch positively and transform positively lives of everyone within our community, and to be specifically lives of all Kenyans. And we believe that we are in the right path. This is the right time, and this industry being at its nascent stages, we appreciate that there will be challenges, and we appreciate the opportunity that the Honorable Committee have granted to us, because we believe this will open up the doors to address these challenges together, to solve for the problems that have emerged together, and push forward this industry.